2007 Honda Civic 1.8V.
So this is gonna be a startup, taking a exhaust clip and engine clips of this car and walk around review. I will show you the most interesting features from the interior as well as the exterior.
So, here's the key. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's start it up with the door closed.
The 8th generation Honda Civic comes with rack and pinion power steering system. The steering wheel comes with urethane with perforated sections in each sides going across the bottom of the steering wheel, and it is a 3-spoke design which is made of a satin carbon fiber, I believe. There are 2 transmission choices of the Honda Civic, both 1.8V and S is a 5-speed manual, or as shown here in the video, is a 5-speed automatic. If I put the car in reverse, the parking sensors is activated. The 8th generation Honda Civic comes with a 1.8 liter single overhead cam 16 valve inline 4 with water cooled and VTEC engine. The horsepower of this car comes with a 140 PS at 6,300 RPM, and the torque comes with a 17.7 kilograms per meter at 4,200 RPM. This transmission of this car comes with a 5-speed automatic, and the compression ratio of this vehicle comes with a 10.5 to 1. And this car has front wheel drive. The Honda Civic is a line of compact cars manufactured by Honda. Originally is a subcompact. The Civic has gone through several generational changes, becoming both larger and more upmarket. It currently falls between the Honda Fit and Honda Accord. The first ever Civic was introduced in July 1972 as a 2-door model, followed by a 3-door hatchback that September. Let's fast forward now from the first generation to the 8th generation Civic. For the 8th generation, Honda split the model into 2 different platforms, one for the sedan and coupe, and one for the hatchback, designed primarily for European market, using simpler rear suspension from the Honda Fit and more aggressive styling. As of 2006, a total of 16.5 million Civics had been sold worldwide, with 7.3 million of them in the United States. The end of this model generation also marketed the end of the Honda Civic Type R in Japan. There is currently no Japanese Civic Type R successor. In the Philippines, the 2007 model Honda Civic, there are 3 trim levels. One is the 1.8V as shown here in the video. It is an automatic transmission, but there is a manual transmission as well as the 1.8S And the top of the line of this Honda Civic is a 2.0V. Actually, there is no manual transmission. The rivals of the Honda Civic is a Toyota Corolla Altis, Hyundai Elantra, and so much more. The Honda Civic comes with 17-inch alloy wheels both front and rear. Tires measuring 195/65 R15 tires. Brakes consist of ventilated disc brakes on the front and solid disc brakes from the rear. For the suspension, the front comes with McPherson struts, and for the rear comes with a double wishbone setup. Now let's go to the most interesting part, the interior. From your door panels from the driver, right here got your powered mirror controls, your central locking, window lock, powered mirrors with an automatic driver side window, your speaker right down there, your storage or bottle holder, whatever you use it for. And the seats comes with a manual adjustments. Right here got your seat back, seat height, and seat sliding position. Well, the interior is a very wider as you based on the dashboard as well, in my opinion. Now let's go to the center console. Right here got your center armrest with some storages, another storage area or cup holders. Right here got your cup holders right here, your power outlet storage, your standard aircon controls right here. There's fan speeds, AC, whatsoever. You got your radio controls right here, which the speakers are very fine, I guess. And here are your CD player, which is MP3 compatible. Going towards dashboard, comes with a 2-tier instrument cluster, with your fog lights, your multiple storage. In the steering wheel of this car comes with a manual tilt, I believe. Well, here are your light and indicator controls and your wiper controls. This is one of the most interesting part of the wipers of the Honda Civic. It comes with separate, yes. Here comes your cabin lights, under the cabin lights, which is not working from the middle. Your sunshade with a vanity mirror. Central locking, I show you earlier on, in your window lock. Again, your mirror controls, your automatic driver's side window. And that's it for the interior. So let's shut down this Honda Civic, and that's the end of the tour. Now let's go to the passenger seat. In my own words, the Honda Civic is a good C-segment sedan in the 2007 model, even though in the 2016 model and in the future. Based on the overall durability, the styling, the looks, and everything in the car, which is totally awesome. But the question is, will the Honda Civic will be my next Z-Mobile? Well, actually, this is my choice. So we will find out what happens.
Startup of this 2007 Honda Civic 1.8V. And as always, I will see you next time for more latest videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and mabuhay!